mga issues. Pero yan ang gusto sana namin maiba. And of course, we don't like yung divide and conquer, kakausapin isa-isa, tapos, pangakuan na mga kung ano-ano. Ayaw namin ng leader na ganyan. Wala akong binabanggit na gano'n. Sinabi ko, ayaw ko lang ng leader na ganyan. That's why I want to correct the misconception when I said I do not like the dictatorial types. I wasn't referring to the current leadership of the Senate. I was just saying I don't like dictatorship-style leadership for the Senate, wherein isa lang tao ang magdidesisyon at bahala na kayo sa buhay ninyo. Kung gusto nyo, debatihan nyo ako sa tinanyo. Remember, as I mentioned, the Supreme Court, kanina, sabi ko, lahat ng abogado gusto maging member ng Supreme Court. Okay. Lahat ng member ng Supreme Court, ang leader niyan, you call primus inter pares. Correct, attorney? Primus inter pares only means that you are first among equals. Ibig sabihin, you are equal. The same as everybody. You're only tasked to be the presiding officer of this Senate. You should not have control of whatever funds and say who it should be given to or who should be taken from. If that is the allowance of any senator, lahat ng senator dapat patas. Diba? Kung sa taon, huwag mong bigyan sa style ko, patas lahat. Ilan ba yung dadagdagan na staffing ng ating mga senador? If they need 5 for all, including the minority. Remember? We did that. Hindi yung dahil, slap soil yan. Wala yan. Kayo, 10. Kaya, yan ang ayaw natin dito mangyari sa leadership ng Senado. Di ba? Yan ang hindi nangyari noon at hindi dapat mangyari sa atin sa Senado ngayon. That's why, I miss the leadership, for example, Senate President Drilon, Senate President Soto, Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, even Senate President Nene Pimentel, who I had the pleasure of being my minority floor leader when I was majority floor leader in 2007. They would probably now, they would be cringing on the fact of what's happening to the Senate. I'm sorry, with due respect, and some members will disagree with me, and they would probably hit me and say I'm speaking on my own. It's my opinion. They are entitled to their opinion. I'm entitled to my opinion, and that is my opinion. Yung nakikita nating taong bayan, kayo na lang, kausapin niyo yung mga kapitbahay ninyo. Ano bang nakikita nila sa Senado na yun? And I'm sure you will have the same opinion.
Okay, on that note.